Hi, I'm here to provide a detailed look at the Arista 7500R series of modular switches. The Arista 7500R series modular platform comes in a choice of form factors and high-density line cards for up to 432 ports of 100 gig Ethernet and 115 terabit per second of system throughput that scales to meet the needs of the world's largest cloud data centers and also the performance, reliability, and investment protection requirements of large enterprise data centers and IP storage networks that are just as critical. Available in three choices of system capacity, the 12-slot 18 rack unit system, an 8-slot 13 rack unit system, or a 4-slot 7 rack unit system, each 7500R system supports high availability and is NEPS compliant for service provider environments, with a choice of AC or DC power that supports both power sources and offers power supply redundancy. All members of the 7500R series deliver deterministic network performance with a deep buffer virtual output queue architecture that eliminates head-of-line blocking and virtually eliminates packet drops even in the most congested environments. Each model in the 7500R series provides room for 2 supervisor modules along with 4, 8, or 12 line cards and 6 fabric modules. Supervisor modules and line cards plug in from the front, while the fabric modules are inserted from the rear. The midplane is completely passive and provides control plane connectivity to each of the fabric and line card modules. The 7500R series is designed to be highly power efficient with front to rear cooling optimized for data center environments and lowers power consumption to as little as 25 watt per 100 gig port, which makes it the most reliable, dense, and power efficient modular switch. Delivering investment protection for existing 7500 series customers and making migration from the 7500E series simple, each 7500R system supports any combination of both the 7500E series line cards or the 7500R series line cards, providing a wide choice of port density and interface speeds. All 7500R series line cards use a dedicated packet processor that delivers a rich set of L2 and L3 features with support for over 1 million IPv4 routes and 768,000 IPv6 routes with up to 144,000 ACL entries and 24 GB of packet memory per line card. The line card choices include a 36-port 100 gig QSFP line card and a 36-port 40 gig QSFP Plus line card that allows flexibility for up to 96 ports of 10 gig with 6 ports of 100 gig and a high-performance 48-port 1 or 10 gig line card with 2 dedicated ports of 100 gig. All line cards operate at wire speed and provide non-blocking performance. While supporting 10, 40, and 100 gig is expected of a high-performance spine switch, only with support for 25 and 50 gig can you ensure that the network is flexible enough to provide future-proofing. All 100 gig ports on the 7500R series support a choice of 5 speeds and a broad range of connectivity options designed to avoid costly cabling infrastructure upgrades and providing the capability to seamlessly transition data centers to the next generation of Ethernet performance. Line cards connect to high-performance fabric modules in a non-blocking full mesh with data packets spread across the links to fully utilize the fabric capacity. Unlike hash-based selection of the fabric links, the 7500R architecture provides 100% efficient connectivity from any port to any other port with no packet drops. The fabric also provides N+1 resilience, ensuring zero loss of performance, while integrated fan systems provide dynamic temperature control. The Arista 7500R series switches are designed for continuous operations with system-wide monitoring of hardware and software components, simple serviceability, and provisioning to prevent single points of failure. The hardware supports high availability with hot swap of all components, including supervisor modules, line cards, power supplies, fabric, and cooling modules. Arista EOS software supports stateful failover between the dual redundant supervisors, as well as self-healing stateful fault containment, fault repair, and live patching through in-service software updates to help ensure continuous service. These attributes make the Arista 7500R an ideal platform for building reliable and highly scalable data center networks. For more information on the Arista 7500R series and EOS, visit us at arista.com. Thank you.